Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Your squad mate didn't pay well. Resurgence timer reduced. Squad mate left the AR. Will reduce your redeployment time. Enemy dropping into the AR. They've got a SAM turret online. Enemy UAV is online.
Your fire!
Enemy UAV overhead. Target down, marking the rest of them. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Contact!
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Hostile shooter. Disregard. Disregard. Got a contract. Disregard. Setting waypoint. Enemy disregard. Disregard waypoint. Disregard. Hostile shooter. Setting waypoint. Disregard.
You'll live.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Move it. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Enemy soldier incoming. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. You have reinforcements inbound. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Enemy dropping into the AO. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Target down, marking the rest of them. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. You have reinforcements inbound. Confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Enemy soldier incoming.
Enemy ordnance incoming. Missile strike on a nearby target.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. We've located the rest of it. We've got gas moving in. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
LTBR awaiting targeting data.
FFE, danger close. Over.
Mark the target.
Fire sale is
Fire.
active. Buy station prices are adjusted. You have reinforcements inbound. Hostile UAV in the area.
Target grid struck. No casualties.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Clear another target during contract timeline.
Got some loot here.
All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
UAV available for tasking.
Fire sales over. Just in price. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Little equipment set.
Moving here.
Priority tasking request received. We're a dog.
Moving here.
Adam requesting LDVR. Resurgence is closed. No more second chances.
Moving here.
Supply crates have been restocked. Load up. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Precision airstrike standing by.
Got that!
Get an LDVR on my mark.
Still alive. Target marked. Request fire mission.
Move to the safe zone.
Copy that. Longbow 3-1 is on station. Deploying inbound.
Gas is inbound. 10 remain. Keep pushing. Enemies dropping into the AO. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
UAV standing by.
Requesting recon flyover.
Got an extra valuable opportunity here.
Taking
Don't
effective
fix yourself.
fire.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight filming.
Close one.
Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Stay. I'm not done yet.
Eyes on enemy. Setting waypoint.
You're in dangerous territory. Get moving to the safe zone.
Mark the target.
Taking effective fire.
Moving here. Disregard that. Disregard that. Disregard that. Disregard that. Moving here. Disregard that. Moving here.
Still alive.
Moving here.
You're in the top 5. Bring home the win. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps. This is it. Do or die.
Blood for blood.
All stations, no enemy movement detected at this time. Area's clear.
Blood for blood.